In this video, we'll talk about valuing preferred stock or console bonds. Preferred stock and console bonds are equity and debt contracts that pay an infinite stream of constant cash flows. Preferred stock pays an infinite stream of dividends, usually quarterly. Console bonds pays an infinite stream of interest payments with no principal payments, usually every 6 months. To value the console bond or the preferred stock, you would just take the cash flow divided by the interest rate because it is a perpetuity. For example, DuPont has 2 series of preferred stock outstanding. Their 350 series was priced at $72.25 on September 18, 2013. Now, 350 series means that the stock pays $3.50 annually in dividends, and they pay the dividends on a quarterly basis. So what is the value of this stock today? $72.25. What does that tell you about the return investors are demanding on the stock today? The first thing we're going to do is compute the quarterly dividend. If they pay out $3.50 a year, every quarter they pay out a fourth of that. That's 87.5 cents per quarter. So the timeline for this preferred stock is going to look like you pay $72.25 today, and you get back 87.5 cents sorry about that, I get that zero in there right, every quarter forever. We do know that the price equaling the present value of future cash flows would tell us $72.25 is equal to the cash flow divided by the required return per quarter. Cross multiplying gives the required return per quarter, $875 over $72.25. The quarterly return is 1.211%, 111 rounding. The APR is just 12 times this. I'm sorry, let's see, quarterly, so it's 4 times this. That's 4.8443%. And the EAR takes into account compounding 4 times per year. So that's the 1.2111. So you have to add 1 to it, to the power of 4, number of periods in a year, minus 1, 4.9330%. The basic relationship, price today, next period's dividend, of course it doesn't really matter which dividend because they're constant, over R, is a very simple relationship between 3 variables, price today, dividend, and return. Given any of the 2, you should be able to figure out the third.